Hello viewers, welcome to back our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all you happy. May all Almighty keep you all happy and keep your homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. Amen. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet crop top, amazing designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel, and the first time you can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful. Keep for guys, I keep your similar designs with my dear friends daily, inshallah. Be sure to let us know in the comment box how can you like our videos. If you want to watch any videos related to, visit my channel Crochet Lovers, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else. And can you make a similar designs are very popular in the country, and girls love such is amazing designs. Every video is a lovely design for you guys. Don't miss on my videos. I will share with you some different designs. We will keep sharing with you in all kind of fashion related designs. Let's go, inshallah. We will meet again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. Take care. We remember in prayer, and bye.